An up-to-date guide to camping in the wilderness. When you camp, you are out in the elements with very few conveniences. You need to plan out your trip completely and anticipate many things. For the best ideas in camping that will help make your adventure enjoyable and successful, check out the tips and tricks in this video. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. If you'd like to prevent mosquito bites, but want to avoid using harsh chemicals, use an orange peel instead. Rub the orange peel over exposed areas of the skin, such as the neck, arms, face and legs to naturally repel mosquitoes. Not only will the orange peels feel better on your skin than traditional repelling chemicals, but they will smell better, too. Pack what is necessary for your children. Camping can be quite dirty. Kids love to play in dirt. As a result, they are going to be seriously messy by the end of each day. While you can't do much to prevent that, you can at least provide clean clothing, so long as you brought extra. There is nothing like being prepared. Camping can help you experience the world without the comforts of modern society. This is very appealing to some, while others find it uncomfortable and difficult. Camping's supposed to be a fun and relaxing trip, so make sure you plan out good ideas beforehand. The piece above contains some great advice, so put it to good use. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.